Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review on one of the products I received in this month's Ipsy Glam box. Sorry about the views on my camera. My ring light broke yet again. So tired of things breaking. I've done went through two. I guess they're just not made worth the hill of beans. So I'm going to be trying this charcoal black peel-off mask. And it says to apply thick, opaque, even layer to clean, dry skin. And of course, avoid your eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes or until completely dry. You can use it once or twice a week. So, I am going to also be using one of these face masks that came in this box just to clean my face. They have like a clean smell to them. I love peel-off masks. I just think they're so satisfying. And they do remove the dirt. You can't really tell, but it's got a little bit on there. So I'm going to let my face dry. And while it's drying, I'm going to open this box. Maybe. And the bottle's even black and gold, just like the back, like the box. I'm going to go find my applicator things. I will be right back. Alright guys, so I found my brush, or whatever you want to call these things, this little silicone. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. I'm gonna look like a war, like I'm going to war. This stuff smells pretty good. And, oh, it got in my eye. Give me some tissue. You know how most like masks have like funky smells and stuff? This one doesn't. This one actually smells sweet. I'm trying to see in the mirror, but I guess y'all can't see. No, it's in my hair. Is that in my hair, you guys? don't want to get it in my eyebrows, so I guess I'm not going to go down too far. And it said to put it thick, but this stuff isn't very thick itself, so I would just have to keep layering and layering. And I'm not going to do that, so we're going to roll with what I got. And I look like I got a bunch of crap on my face. So here's the black charcoal peel-off mask. I'm going to let this dry for 15-30 minutes or however long it takes to fully dry. And I will meet you beauties back here and we will peel this off. I'll see you in 15 or 30. Alright guys, I'm back. So I'm going to peel this off. Oh, it might help if y'all can see, huh? Well, it's not all dry I thought it was. But I only have a little bit that's not dry. And I always get this stuff in my hair. Never fails. Alright guys, so just peeling it off, my face feels really soft. It's a little red, but that's probably just where I peeled it. And I'll get the rest of this off here in a few minutes. But it feels soft. It's a little red, but that's always because you're peeling a face mask, right? So I will let you know how my face feels, well, in a few hours or the morning before I post this. And let you see. I should have took a before and after picture, but I did not. So that's my video for today. And again, I used the Eclat Skin London. And it's the charcoal black peel-off mask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Alright, everybody, so this is the next day after the peel-off. My skin still feels so soft and smooth. So if you would like this, I would suggest trying it. It works amazing. So this is the next day, so 24 hours later.